I'm taking a look at this WXM18 wireless mic kit from Bietrun. I picked this entire kit up off of Amazon for under $50, and I'm going to take a look and see what we got in the box here. On the box, we don't really have any kind of specs or any kind of stats listed, so I'm going to just tear right into the unboxing and see what's inside. Here's everything that comes in the box. We've got a mini tripod adapter, cold shoe adapter, 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter stereo adapter, a phone tripod mount, receiver, an adapter cable to use this on your phone, an adapter cable to use this on your PC, the transmitter itself, a mini USB charging cable, headset, and lavalier microphone. This does not come with a charging brick. You have to supply that yourself. The receiver is rechargeable via the included USB micro cable, but the transmitter requires AA batteries. And this transmitter is made of a pretty flimsy plastic, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something super rugged. Transmitter also has a belt clip, and we've got these buttons on the transmitter to change channels just in case you would run into any kind of interference on the channel that you would be using. Now I'm going to plug this into a couple of different devices, and everything that you hear from this point on in the video will be recorded with the Bietrun wireless mic. This is an audio sample of the Bietrun WX18. I'm running this into my Panasonic Lumix G7 with the included microphone adapter cable to adapt this to a camera's microphone port. I'm about 6 feet away from the receiver, and I'm using the lavalier microphone right now. And this is the exact same recording scenario. I'm about 6 feet away from the receiver. The only difference now is that I'm using the included headset microphone that came with the wireless kit. And so I'm about 6 feet away. I'm using the adapter cable to adapt the receiver into my camera. And look at me, I'm like a broke Dave Ramsey. Alright, so I apologize for this janky shot, but I've got to leave my GoPro underneath this park shelter here because we've had rain coming in from out of nowhere here today, and it's just been pouring and it's been a mess. So that's why this is what it is right now. But I want to do a range test on this receiver, and I'm going to pull this thing out and keep an eye on the connection meter on this. And as I walk back, I'm going to see how well this stays connected to the GoPro. Right now, I'm probably about 20 feet away from the receiver, and I'm gonna keep an eye on the transmitter, which I've got right here. As I walk backwards, I'm gonna continue to talk, and we're gonna monitor the audio quality as I go, but I'm not really sure what to continue to ramble about, so I'm just gonna talk about the things that I've got coming up on my channel in the future. First thing, I've got a mini pocket projector that I'm going to present as the away from home theater. Basically, I'm going to take it on a camping trip and show how that's going to be a good use for using a mini projector like that. And you know, you go hiking all day and then you come back after that, you want to kind of chill out and relax before you hit the hay. I think that's going to be a good use for a little pocket projector like that. So I've also got going. So here's my final test of this Bietrun wireless mic kit. Now I'm recording this with my phone. I've got the receiver going into the headphone jack of the phone, and I'm using the included TRRS adapter that came with it to adapt it to the phone. So I'm about 10 feet away from the phone right now, and I'm under an echoey shelter here. So let me step outside and give you an idea what this is going to sound like. But here it is outside of the echo. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. We've got some rain drops hitting puddles, and we've got some birdie noises and things like that for background ambience, but this is what it's going to sound like with the included TRRS adapter, and I am probably about 30 or 40 feet away right now. Whenever you first power on the device, Bluetooth is going to be on by default, and that's going to give you this high-pitched, squealy, tinny noise. So yeah, this background noise that we're getting here is super annoying. After you power on the receiver, just tap the power button one time. That will turn Bluetooth off, and that will get rid of that annoying noise. Speaking of Bluetooth, we can pair the receiver with phones and tablets. Basically, you just turn the device on. By default, Bluetooth will be blinking. Then we go to Bluetooth connections on our phone. And here we see Bietrun. Now this is paired as a Bluetooth speaker for the phone. You can plug this into your computer or into a speaker set or PA system or whatever, and that will pick up the audio from your phone and record it onto whatever you're running this into. I'm going to do a sample recording of that now. So now I've got my phone set up, paired to the Bluetooth receiver, running into the GoPro adapter, and I'm going to start playing some music and record this with my GoPro, and you can hear what this sounds like. So yeah, I have not had the best of luck with capturing audio over Bluetooth with this device. One thing that is very impressive about this wireless mic set is the battery life. I put 2 new batteries in the transmitter and charged the receiver to full, and they both lasted throughout the night. So my final opinion of the Bietrun WXM18, well, you heard the audio throughout the video, and I personally would hold out for something a little bit better. Save that money and get something a little bit better than this. There was a lot of UHF noise interference. The audio didn't sound great. I mean, if you need something cheap that's just going to broadcast wirelessly, I guess this will get the job done. Does it get the job done well? But I'm going to wrap this video up now with a shout out to my channel supporters. If you would like to support this channel on Patreon or Ko-Fi, there will be links in the description below. Donations are appreciated, but never expected. And remember, the best way you can support this channel is to interact with the content. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.